Hey, fellow online enthusiasts! Welcome to Techstride, where we explore the exciting world of making money online from the comfort of your own home. Today, we are here with some special ways for all the newbies. In this video, we will share the top 9 ways to make money online. That way you can earn money from home, so grab your favorite drink, sit back and let's start live videos. Before we start the video, let me quickly remind you that success in the online world requires dedication, persistence, and passion for what you do. Now, let's start with our first method. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to monetize your skills and talents. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a voice actor, freelancers are in high demand in today's digital landscape. Plus, the flexibility to choose your projects and work hours is an added bonus. Method 2. Online surveys and market research. Did you know that your opinion can make you money? Online surveys and market research allow you to share your thoughts and get rewarded for your time. This is a great option for those who want to earn some extra cash without any special skills. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale you make. You can start by partnering with well-established brands or even create your own website to share your favorite products. This is an exciting way to turn your passion into profit. Method 4. Online teaching and tutoring. Are you an expert in a particular field? Share your knowledge and skills by becoming an online teacher or tutor. With the rise of e-learning platforms, there is a huge opportunity to connect with students worldwide and make a real impact while making money. Method 5. Content creation and YouTube. If you love making videos and sharing your ideas, starting a YouTube channel might be right for you. From vlogging and gaming to educational content, YouTube offers a platform to let your creativity shine while building a dedicated audience that can turn into a sustainable income. Method 6. Dropshipping and e-commerce. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop, and you can be a part of it too. With dropshipping, you can sell products without the need for inventory or shipping. Set up your online store, find unique products, and watch your business grow. Method 7. Stock photography and graphic design. Calling all photographers and graphic designers. Stock photography and graphic design platforms offer a great opportunity to monetize your creative work. So, capture those captivating images or design stunning graphics and watch your portfolio turn into a passive income stream. Method 8. Online writing and blogging method. If you have a way with words, consider online writing and blogging. From guest posting on popular websites to starting your own blog, the online world is hungry for quality content, so grab your pen or your keyboard and unleash your creativity through the power of words. Not only can you publish yourself, you can also earn money through sponsored content, ads, and even collaborations with brands. 9. Social media management and influencer marketing. Last but certainly not least, we have social media management and influencer marketing. With the rise of social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, brands are actively looking for individuals with a strong online presence to promote their products. By building your personal brand and engaging with your audience, you can open the door to brand partnerships and collaborations. And there you have it, our top 9 ways to make money online from home for beginners. Remember, it's essential to find the method that matches your skills, interests, and goals. But always remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Thriving in the online world takes constant effort, learning, and adaptation. Thank you so much for watching the video with us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more exciting content. And as always, stay motivated, Stay focused and keep exploring the huge opportunities that await you in the online world. See you next time in a new video.